Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Square accounting to separate business and personal, complete guide step by step clearly. First, sign in to your Square account at squareup.com. Navigate to the dashboard. Click on the account icon in the upper right corner. Select Settings from the menu. Under Business, find the Accounting section. Click on Connect an Account. Choose your accounting software from the list provided. If you don't see your software, click on See All Accounting Software. Follow the prompts to connect your accounting software to. Once connected, you will need to configure the settings. Set up your business and personal accounts in your accounting software. Make sure to use separate bank accounts for business and personal transactions. In your accounting software, create a chart of accounts tailored for your business needs. This will help you categorize transactions effectively. Return to the Square dashboard and ensure all business transactions are recorded. Use tags or categories to differentiate between business and personal transactions. Regularly review your transactions to maintain accurate records. Set a schedule for reconciling your accounts monthly. This ensures your records align with your bank statements. Consider using invoicing features within Square for all business-related income. Avoid using your business Square account for personal purchases. For any personal expenses, utilize a different payment method altogether. This practice will streamline your accounting process. Once everything is set up, monitor your accounts for any discrepancies regularly. Stay organized by maintaining a clear separation between business and personal finances. Lastly, periodically revisit your settings to ensure they still meet your needs. This will help you maintain the integrity of your financial records. By following these steps, you can effectively set up Square accounting to keep your business and personal finances distinct. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.